can see the stars at night. Where do they go in the daytime? How is it they shine so bright? But in the morning when I look outside, where did they hide? I bet that I could find them if I had Bewaka Tuarangi. Spaceship, take me to the stars. Bewaka Tuarangi. Visit every planet, moon, and star. Where is it you'd like to go? Mercury or Mars or Venus? We could visit Rona too. See Papa Tuanuku down below. Come on, let's go. I bet that we could find